హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ 12th లెసన్ సింపుల్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్ నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ ఏ బల్బ్ ద పార్ట్ విచ్ గివ్స్ అస్ లైట్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ మెటల్ బేస్, ఆప్షన్ బి గ్లాస్ ఛాంబర్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫిలమెంట్, ఆప్షన్ డి టెర్మినల్స్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ సి ఫిలమెంట్. అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, electric non-conductor is A copper, B aluminum, C iron, D rubber. Correct answer is D rubber. And third question, which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Option A paper, option B pure water, option C wood, option D iron. Correct answer is option D iron. And fourth question, when small cells are connected in series, we get A big cell, B battery, C dynamo, D generator. Correct answer is option B battery. And fifth question, filament is made up of A copper, B iron, C tungsten, D aluminum. Correct answer is C tungsten. And sixth question, the world's first experimental electric power plant was opened in A USA, B USSR, C UK, D Germany. Correct answer is C UK. And seventh question, to prevent electric shock, electric wires cover with A paper, B cotton, C aluminum, D plastic. Correct answer is D plastic. And eighth question, a device that is used to break the electric circuit is called A switch, B bulb, C battery, D filament. Correct answer is A switch. Ninth question, which is an example for conductor? A copper, B wood, C platinum wire, D plastic. Correct answer is copper. And 10th question, Edison used dash as first filament? A cotton, B wood, C platinum wire, D bamboo fiber. Correct answer is C platinum wire. And 11th question, the word electricity was introduced by A Newton, B William Gilbert, C Benjamin Franklin, D Dirichlet. Correct answer is option B William Gilbert. And 12th question, when small cells are connected in series, we get A dynamo, B generator, C battery, D big cell. Correct answer is option C battery. And 13th question, in house connections, electric bulbs are connected in A series, B parallel, C random, D series and parallel. Correct answer is B parallel. And 14th question, who built the first large scale electric power plants in the USA? A Thomas Edison, B Dirichlet, C Faraday, D Franklin. Correct answer is A Thomas Edison. And 15th question, dash invented the electric generator? A Franklin, B Dirichlet, C Thomas Edison, D Michael Faraday. Correct answer is Michael Faraday. And 16th question, dash discovered static electricity? A Thales of Miletus, B Gilbert, C Franklin, D Dirichlet. Correct answer is Thales of Miletus. Thanks for watching.